How to update YouTube on Android. So, first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, you can tap on the option of cellular data and then proceed updating YouTube application. After this, open Play Store on your Android device. From here, go to Search. Now go to search bar and just search for YouTube. Tap on the application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it to update YouTube application on your Android device. Once you update the application, you will be getting latest features on YouTube and all the bug errors and issues will be fixed as well. Now, if you don't see this option, what you can do is open Settings on your Android. From here, scroll down below and go to Apps. You can directly search for YouTube. Tap on it. Once you come to this page, scroll down below and tap on Storage. From here, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. So follow these easy steps to update YouTube app on Android device. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.